I say Slimeatory. It's a Slimeatory.
Don't choose the rock foam soap challenge. Basically, we have a bunch of foam soaps here, and some of them have foam soap in it, and some of them have glue in it. So yeah. Which one are we gonna choose?
Which one are we gonna choose?
I don't know. Let's get straight into the video. Yo! Alright guys, so first we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Are you ready?
Yes, let's do it. Rock, paper,
scissors.
She's not on cue with me.
There you go.
Alright, rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Paper, scissors, shoot! No! No! This means karate shop. It's
Ow! Jeez. Alright, I choose to go first. Alright.
Of course.
I choose this one. What is this? Let's see. How do I
twist it and press it.
There we go. Is it foam soap? Oh, I think it's glue!
Well, that doesn't look like glue, Ameerah.
Let's see, what is it? I think it's glue because it seems thick. Oh, I got glue!
She's got glue.
Yes.
I guess it's 1 point for Ameerah.
Right.
My turn! Okay, do we have to close our eyes? Is that how it works?
I don't care. Just choose one.
This one, I'll just choose this one.
What is it? What is it? It's blue. It's blue.
We'll see. Let's see. Do I squish it? Maybe I should squish it first. Alright, let's see. Let's see what it is.
Just open it.
Alright. It's glue!
You got glue.
Look at that.
Alright, my turn.
1 point each.
Which one should I choose? Which one should I choose? Okay, I want to predict it. I haven't predicted in a while. Let's try this one. I think this is purple. Ah, dang. Okay. What is this? Glue or foam soap? Oh, it's glue! Yay! I got blue and purple.
My turn! Okay. I'm gonna go with this purple one right here. What is it? Should I just open it?
Looks like foam soap. It's kind of watery.
Oh. Oh.
You got foam soap!
It's
We got
foam
soap!
Ah.
Okay, now you gotta squish it all in.
Alright. Here we go. I'm squishing it all in. And you know what?
I might need bigger bowls.
And you know, I'm gonna choose good colors like this. It smells really good.
Yeah, it's lavender.
It smells
Do you
really
want to change
good.
the bowl?
There's a lot to squish out, Ameerah.
You're almost done. Trust me, it
Right?
goes fast.
Oh, wow. There's nothing in these.
Alright, well, while he does that, I'm gonna go ahead and do mine. Let's see. I think this one. And I think it's green. Oh, purple. It's foam soap. I got the same foam soap as him. Gosh, let's see who can go. Who can finish faster. I don't know.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, I guess I'm ahead.
Ow. Ow.
She's really going at it.
I can do this. I can do this. Hey, stop that. No, stop.
I won.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
That's not fair.
Since Ameerah's closing her eyes, I guess I'm gonna close my eyes too, right?
You have to predict too.
I have to predict too?
Yeah.
Alright, okay, alright. It's fair that way, I guess.
Done, I did it.
Alright, my turn.
You have to predict the color.
This one! And it's gonna be...
Oh.
It's gonna be green. Oh.
Yeah.
It's red.
Green.
What happened here, Ameerah? You made a mess!
No, you did!
No, yeah, right. She just wanted me to get this one. She knocked everything over. This looks like glue. Yep, it's glue. You know what? That's good. I got another glue.
Whatever. Alright, my turn. I think this one. This one, I think it's red. Ah, it's orange. Okay. I think this one is glue. Yeah, I got glue! It's orange. Alright guys, so it seems like our bowls are already filled up, so we're gonna need some buckets, so Paul.
Hold on, where did these come from?
The galaxy.
They're wet. Alright, let's
Galaxy's
do it.
wet, okay? Alright, let's pour these in there. These look so cool though, they look like root beer floats or something.
Oh my gosh, look at mine. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's purple and red.
And then my fork. Where'd my fork go? Do we have a fork?
This is cool. Close my eyes again. And pick this one. It's green. I really want green. I got green!
Green!
Alright, so.
I think it's foam soap. Oh, it's foam soap.
Now that we got a bucket, I think we can just go.
What is that smell though? I don't think that's working.
I don't know.
Green apple.
That's weird. Green apple. I love green apple. Oh my gosh, I really like green apple.
You just said it's weird smelling.
What is No, you gotta wait for me. Wait.
No, we should do a race.
Yeah.
Whatever,
If
okay.
it's foam soap.
I choose this one. Oh, it's glue. Okay, let's see who can get it out first. Go, go, go.
I can do it. You gotta get it all out.
Well, I'm done, basically. So, yeah. Why? You're so slow. Let me show you how it's done. See?
We'll continue.
No, you
let me see. I can't see.
No, you know how. All right, it's your turn. Hurry.
I'm still emptying
Oh, hurry.
It's almost done.
Hurry?
It's almost done. It's so slippery now. Closing my eyes and going with. I want orange. Not orange.
You got foam soap though.
Oh no!
All right, my turn. I choose.
Are you serious?
I think this is. I don't know, blue. Ah, it's red.
I don't even know this smell.
Oh yeah, I got foam soap. Let's go, let's go. We can race now.
And you know what?
Wait. Okay, now I'm ready. Go, go. I can do this.
Dang it.
I can do this. Yes, I can do this.
I can do it more.
I can do it.
What is happening? I need to go faster.
No, I'm cramping up.
Me too. This is so hard.
It's slippery.
That's what happened to me. It's just a little more.
Yay!
Mine's done.
I'm done. I'm done.
That means you win. I'm gonna give you this one because you went too quick. I have some. There you go. You got some on your face.
That's too much. I didn't throw it much at you.
Okay, fine. You're right.
All right, let's go. Your turn.
Let me choose glue this time, please. I need glue, Ameerah.
Okay.
I need glue. So
We'll see.
I hope this is glue. No! I'm so unlucky.
All right, let me try me.
Oh no! I don't want to squish any more foam soap.
This is purple. Oh, it's red. Oh, I got glue. What are you doing there, Paul?
I'm just squishing foam soap into a bucket
Oh,
of
that sucks.
I hope to be slime.
I'm just pouring my glue into my bucket.
Is this gonna be like super fluffy?
Things get a little slippery.
Okay.
You barely have any glue in your tub. My turn.
It's my turn.
Yeah, but you team.
No, it's my turn. Get out of
Ow.
here. Okay, my turn. This one. Yay! It's glue.
You
Oh.
got brown.
Well, that's okay. It won't look bad. It looks like Coca-Cola.
What color is it? What color is that?
Now it looks pink.
See?
Looks nice. Okay, I got glue.
Oh, yeah, my
I'm
turn.
back in competition
choose
here.
This one. Oh, I got photo.
Yes. Okay, that means I have a chance to win this. I'm gonna get all the glue out because I need that glue. I really need that glue. I need all that glue. This one's glue.
Ah! I bet I can do it faster than you.
It's not glue, guys. I win! Oh my gosh! I emptied it extremely quick,
No, you
Ameerah.
didn't.
It seems like you've been getting pretty slow. Okay,
All right, my turn. I choose this one.
Oh, you got the brown. Pink
I got glue.
looking
I have
one.
no idea what color this is. It's like brown, pink, or purple. All right, I'm done.
You done?
You choose, Paul.
Okay, and here we go. My turn. And here we go. And I'm gonna go with. I'm hearing bubbles on top of my head. I'm gonna go with this one, by the way, but I'm hearing bubbles.
I didn't do anything.
Do I have bubbles on top of my head? I can't feel them, but I can hear them.
I think you're crazy.
I got glue!
All right, my turn.
What? I'm not done pouring it.
This one.
Let me pour mine.
Yeah, I got glue. I can do it faster.
And I'm gonna pick this one.
Hey, no!
Gosh darn it, that didn't work. Okay,
Damn.
okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Ah, I
You got foam soap. All right, my turn.
think this, well, I don't have any more space in my bucket.
I
so-
just listen. Oh, I got foam soap. Well, I'm not gonna be a cheater and I'm gonna put foam.
I'm not cheating, it's just there's too much foam.
Mm-hmm.
I can't put any more foam in my bucket, it's too much. I choose, well,
I'm sorry, I just have to stretch.
can you mix them? Because it's too easy, I can just pick one. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
I got blue.
I got the blue, whatever.
I got more orange.
I can do this.
I can do this.
I can do this better.
Done.
You're so good at squishing out foam soap. What's up with that? There's so much colors. Look at that. It looks so cool.
Alrighty, let's go ahead and get some activator now. I think I am all finished.
It's not really making slime, Ameerah.
Yeah, mine either.
Oh, look. I guess you have to go make activator.
No, I think you have to go make activator.
I guess.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Gosh darn it.
You make it.
Darn it. Next time, Ameerah, you'll have to make it.
Yeah, whatever.
I can't open this door handle.
Hey guys, I got liquid starch. I'm gonna make my slime. It's gonna be done by the time he gets back.
I can't activate this at all.
I'm gonna take a guess because the foam bubbles, you have to kind of crunch them up before.
Oh, jeez.
What did you do?
I don't know what I did. I failed.
Yeah.
It's all this foam soap.
Alright guys, we went ahead and cleaned everything because it was a mess. It was a gigantic mess. Now we're gonna go ahead and do some ASMR. I go first. Here it is, guys. It's very crunchy. Seems like it needs a bit more activator, so I'm just gonna add some. Excuse me. Oh,
Nice.
get over here.
Yours is really nice, Ameerah.
Thanks.
I'm gonna admit it.
It's actually kind of like fluffy. It's cool. It's a clear, fluffy slime, guys. I wonder how this is gonna turn out when it's done with like all the bubbles and there's no more bubbles in it. And it clears up. I wonder how it's gonna turn out. It's so nice and crunchy though. You can go now, Paul.
My turn? It's my turn. You know, I'm gonna hold my own camera.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I can hold it.
I got this. Here's mine. It's called Vomit. No. Vomit bubblegum
It looks like
pieces.
if you get like somebody's stomach.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
Look,
It
it's
looks
somebody's
like
stomach.
vomit.
Watch. It's a stomach.
Let me see. Okay, now you can go. Hey. Ha! You failed! See how nice it is? Okay, you guys have to comment down Team Paul because it came out really cool. And it has that extra spunk to it because of the pieces in there, the clay pieces I put in there.
That's not clay. Let me see that. That's not clay. Liar.
Okay, fine. But the nice hard pieces I put in there,
You didn't put that in there.
well, it's in there. So, Ameerah, I think I win. No, I don't.
No, I think I win. You guys caught it on hashtag Team Ameerah.
Well, yeah. Comment down below, hashtag Team Ameerah.